Right now, while you're watching this, your body is making a decision about how fast you'll age. Every night you don't reach deep, restorative sleep, you're not just tired the next day. You're literally accelerating how quickly your organs age. Your liver can't fully detoxify. Your brain can't clear the proteins linked to cognitive decline. Your immune system can't rebuild its defenses. Your heart doesn't get the recovery time it needs to stay strong. This isn't about feeling groggy. This is about your biological age catching up faster than your actual age. Research shows that chronic poor sleep increases your risk of heart disease by 48%, early cognitive decline and memory loss, metabolic dysfunction and weight gain, faster cellular aging at the DNA level. One study found that sleeping less than 6 hours per night for just 1 week ages your cells by 4 to 7 years. Every night of disrupted sleep is a night your body doesn't get to repair the damage from the day. And that damage compounds. The question isn't, can I live with bad sleep? The question is, how many years am I willing to lose?